Landmass of Hyperborea existed in Siberia and elsewhere in northern Russia. Indeed, the civilization which the Hyperboreans actually developed went on to manage other landmasses and therefore controlled Iceland, Greenland and the Arctic continent. Even though much of northern Russia and Great Tartaria is now covered in glacial sheeting and snowy landscapes, around 25,800 BC, Hyperborea was a fabulously luscious and fertile landmass. The communities of Hyperborean Aryans were blessed with longevity, peaceful settlements, telluric generators of lighting and heating, and the concept of sickness and diseases was never evident. From what has been written about Hyperborea, the landmass was described as having southward perimeters that bordered by the Riparian Mountains, which were also known as the Riparian Mountains. The vast Riparian Mountains were apparently located in northern Russia and therefore northern Eurasia. The main waterway of Hyperborea was the Eridanos River that flowed into the Baltic Sea. The banks of the Eridanos River were lined with amber sweeping poplar trees, and its aquatic environment was home to massive flocks of the great white swans. Because the landmass of Hyperborea produced biannual fruit, vegetables and grain crops, most of the countryside was highly fertile and covered with luscious forests. Before its destruction, the landmass of Hyperborea existed to 25,800 BC as a civilization which had produced advanced occult technology. Because of the relatively warm climate and vibrant telluric currents of the atmosphere over Hyperborea, the lifespans of the Hyperborean Aryans were very long, and therefore such individuals developed profound scientific knowledge, which included the manufacturing of devices and mechanisms which could be used for the purpose of levitation and electric air flight.